Yes, sir. What's up, y'all? Back with another video. It's your boy Banks. Let me take you to the movie, shorty. No, I'm just joking. It's your boy Jalen back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you guys my 360 wave brushes. The only brushes I use, and each one of them is less than 15 bucks. So by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you 3 or 4 brushes that you can get for less than 15 bucks that are all you need to do your 360 waves. So I'm going to show you a medium brush, a soft brush, a hard brush, and a medium soft brush. So those are the only 4 brushes I use, each one less than 15 bucks. So make sure you guys like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow the channel, so each like and each subscriber helps. I'll leave a link down below to my other wave videos. So without any more delay, let's get straight into it. So this is my medium brush, this is my soft brush, and this is my medium soft brush. I have a hard brush that looks like these two, but I don't have it with me right now. It's at my crib. I'm not at home right now, but whatever. So yeah, this is the medium brush. It comes from Wavy. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, the company is called Wavy. This is their medium palm brush, I guess. It's perfect. So I use this. This is like my go-to for any length of hair that I have. Works fine. So I use this medium brush. I use this soft brush. As you guys can see, the bristles, the hard brush looks exactly like this. As you guys can see, the bristles are evenly distributed. So there's no like, it's not creating any fucking forks or no weird shit in my hair. Just lets me get my waves proper how I need to get them. So yeah, so I use this medium brush and this soft brush. Both of these cost about $15 at Clory Beauty Supply. If you check online, I'm sure you could get them for cheaper. But yeah, go to Clory Beauty Supply and get you one of these. Get you one of these. This is my main go-to. I can use this at any length. Whether I'm wolfing, like right now I'm wolfing. I've been wolfing for about like 6 weeks, 4 weeks. I know you guys can hardly tell, but it is what it is. So yeah, this is a great wolfing brush or when you're first starting off. I also use the hard brush when I'm wolfing because I want to get straight down to the scalp. So just imagine that this was the hard brush. It's just a bit darker than this and the bristles are a bit harder. So I use those 3 brushes, hard, medium, soft. And this is my medium soft brush. This is a Bow Wow brush I got from Clory as well. It costs $15 and I use this for my crown. Okay, so I don't actually put this brush on my hair. I don't know if it's any good. The fucking bristles are kind of random everywhere, but I'm sure if you wanted to use it on your waves, you could. I just personally don't because I'm paranoid. I just use this. I just use those brushes. So I use this brush on my crown because it's curved and shit. I feel like I can get nicely into my crown. I just work it 360 kind of thing. So yeah, I'm not going to waste any more time, boys. That was the video. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. I told y'all I'm trying to grow this bitch. So let me know what you think. Let me know what brushes you guys use in the comments. Anyways, that's it. Have a good day. Peace.